Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to Apps Master Builder Academy. And I'm going to show you our next important video is that I'm going to show you step-by-step basic overview of our system. Okay, let's go in straight. All right, so now let's log in. Okay. Okay, so let me put my detail. So you need to sign up and also submit and pay for your activation in order for you to be able to log in. Okay, and we'll have more videos to help you to build your first app. Okay, and what you have here, okay, now we are in the dashboard. Okay, I've already explained this in our previous video. You can check that out. Okay, now I'm going to go in to create our first app basic overview. Okay, my first app. All right, and I click create. Okay, great, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, for this basic overview, okay, I'm going to show you only 5 items in general. Okay, so as you open up, you will see this template will come out. Okay, all this template for us is to help you, to assist you if you are building apps for client and some clients require samples and you do not have any sample to start with. So please do choose, and then upon your client making payment of 50%, 25% deposit of your app's development, then you can proceed to make their actual app. But for me, when I build my app, I will not use any of this template because I like to create from zero. It's much more easier. Okay, so I will explain in general all these 5 things: design, colors, features, application, and publication. Ladies and gentlemen, we have more details videos in each of these items. Okay, so what do we have in editor design? Okay, if we click change your template, then the list of template will come out again, but I'm not selecting any template. That's why you see there's nothing here. So this is layouts. Okay, all these layouts, okay, will explain in detail on all how to use this layout, but as a basic, all right, say I want to use this layout. Okay, I just double click and go in. We currently have more than 80 layout already, ladies and gentlemen, and we started only with 10. Okay, this will come out again and we're going to click X again. All right, and layout is something that we are going to continue to update, okay, so that you will be able to see more and you're going to follow current trend. All right, so this is the homepage image. So you need to resize that. The recommended size is 2732 2732. So I'm going to put up as a sample here. Please make sure that this must open properly, ladies and gentlemen. If it is half page and you click OK, then you will see that it's black in color. All right, it must be full page. Okay, so that's what you do in editor. We're putting the home page and we select the layout, and this layout can be changed anytime, ladies and gentlemen, if you feel that this layout doesn't fit your purpose anymore. All right. Okay, so let's now go to colors. Okay, in colors, most importantly is this home page. Okay, because then it will be the menu that you have selected. Okay, so let's see this menu opening up. All right, so you see this is home page, is this menu. So you see now it's white, so that's why you see it's white. So I'm going to change it to a color so that you can see. So let me just change to blue. All right, and you see it's blue already. So text is when you start having feature pages here, then you have text. You can change the text color. Border is that there's border. Okay, some menus have borders, some menu don't have borders. And image is the tab icon. You can colorize the tab icon. But I'm going to go down a bit. All these other things can be changed, but you need to create the app first. But let me go down. Most importantly, to create app with us in with our server platform, non-coding is required, ladies and gentlemen. However, I just want to show there's advanced customization, CSS and SCSS. This is for those people who are programmers. Okay, they have an added advantage. Okay, we have to uh, give them uh, the opportunity to use that. That's why I'm explaining here. But non-coders, ladies and gentlemen, don't worry. You will be able to create app using our system. Just that if you are a programmer and you understand CSS, HTML, you'll be able to make changes here to all of the pages layout. All right. So now let's go to features. Okay, don't worry, ladies and gentlemen, we do not need codings, but I need to explain them for those people who are programmers, because we do have programmers using our system. All right, so you see we have many pages here. We started only with 20 layout feature pages, and currently we have nearly 100 feature pages, and this is something that we are going to add on more in future, ladies and gentlemen. Some basic explanation about these feature pages you will be able to see here. Go back to our main website. You can go and click features. And you will be able to see some of our features here. All right. Okay. So I'm going back. Okay. What I'm going to show you is to prove that you are able to build app, no coding required. Okay. We have many pages like e-commerce. We have appointment. We have bookings. We have padlock, loyalty cards, we have e-hailing app, and many more things, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, but this general overview is not to explain each of the feature pages, but just to prove to all of you that you are able to build apps no coding. So I'm going to just select 3 to 4 feature pages that's quite relatively simple enough for all of us to use, and you will have that basic understanding. Okay, so let us go to our first customization page, which is a custom page. This is something very simple. If it is just about informational, just about company profiles and so on, you can use this. For me, I love custom page. It's like a miracle page. Everything we can dump in here. So let me just put there. Okay, say I've changed this about us. This page name will automatically save, ladies and gentlemen. There's no need to click save. All right, just leave it. It will automatically save. And I'm going, you see, in this custom page, we have many functions: text, image, video, address, button, attachment, slider, and cover. So let me just put cover here. Okay, going to add cover. Okay, so let me put a cover. Let me put just this in. Okay, I'm going to click save. Okay, so let me go and click text. Okay, so say we are just putting in some words, all right? Okay, so you need to put in, I'm just going to just put this as a sample, and there's a lot of things that you can make changes, all right? What I'm going to show is I like this. Say I'm going to put in a picture here. Yeah, and now I click save. Yeah, that's great. Okay, so all right. Okay, let me show. Okay, let's go to button. Okay, okay. Our website. Okay, and let's put in a link. Okay, let me just copy this and I paste it here. Okay, what does this mean? Hide navigation bar, meaning that inside the app you will not be able, if you tick this, user will not be able to see. Okay, what is the URL? or external app if you want to go out of, you want to open the link in the phone browser. Okay, normally we want to open it inside our browser, except like if you want to join WhatsApp, Telegram, and it must be external app. So let's click save. Okay. All right, I think I've shown you enough already. Let me just add on another one because I like this. Okay, let's put in a video. Okay, we always recommend put it in YouTube video because we then reduce size. Okay, but you must then now go to YouTube. But please do remember, ladies and gentlemen, the YouTube video must be your own YouTube. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to just use as an example. Okay, it must be your own video. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, but I'm just going to just show as an example. I can just pick up any videos. Okay, let's get it open first. Okay, this looks nice, but remember, oh, Ip Man. All right, I love this movie. All right, but let me. Okay. Okay, let me just take out the speaker.
So you're a teacher?
I am a teacher.
Alright, so let me just take out the video. So what you need to do, okay, you need to copy this, okay, and go back to the builder and paste, but you need to take out the HTTPS. Yep. And then you click save. Okay. Okay, you'll see here, if you click here, it doesn't work yet. Okay, it doesn't work yet. So you need to click save again. Okay. Okay, let me just go back. All right, something wrong somewhere. Okay, I think simply because most likely it doesn't allow us to use this. Okay, let me just go back. Let me go to my own app. Okay, okay, because I'm just, all right, let me go. Because that's not, I'm not sure what is the setting that they have done there. Okay, so this is my own. Okay, so I'm going to click share. Okay, because by right you shouldn't be taking anybody else. Okay, so I was just trying to pick up something more interesting. Okay, need to delete that, need to save again. All right. Okay, okay, definitely cannot play yet. Okay, so I'm going to save again, and we should be ready to go now. Okay, yep. Yes, we are in. Okay, there, I myself did a mistake. Okay, I selected a YouTube video that was not mine, so I'm not sure what is the setting just now, but please do remember, please use your own YouTube video. All right, then you have more control on what setting you allow. Okay, so let me go to, let me just see. Okay, let me just see what other interesting one, basic one that I want to show. Okay, let me show you RSS. Okay, this is RSS feed. Okay, all right. So RSS feed is that they must allow you to use. So let's see I put here Malaysian news. All right. So I put here the just use this bernama. Okay, so I'm going to find the bernama RSS. Okay, all right. Okay, so you see all this, but this is RSS, ladies and gentlemen. Don't worry. So we click this and put in the feed and we click save. Okay, and you will see that. Okay, say I want to put in the second one, the start online. Please do make sure that you get all the necessary approval to use this. Okay, start online RSS. Okay. Okay, so let's just go here. All right, so then just copy that, go here and paste it and click save. So you have your second. So what I'm doing here, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just selecting simple pages because this is just basic so that you will be able to get some ideas on how to create apps with us. Okay, and what we want to prove here, no coding required. Okay, let's go to these images. Okay, here images, you can actually create the company activities. You actually can create photo album. Okay, all right, so I'm going to put here, I'm going to put in my images. So the gallery is say blood donation drive. Okay, company have program. So then we will then now put in our pictures. So you have to click here and put up images and so on. All right, so I just put this just as an example, right? So you can put in title, you can put in the description and so on. So you can put in many images here. Okay, so last one I'm going to show you. Say we don't have something that you need, okay, and the most easiest is you can just get the HTML free codes here and you can upload here. Okay, so let me just put in something. Okay, okay, let me put here my video. All right, so how do we go about using this? We use a HTML 5 editor. All right, just going to show some basic. This is something that, okay, you are non-coders, but you want to put in something like example the autoresponder, HTML code, PayPal code. If you want to use different payment gateway, although we have our own e-commerce that already have a set up payment gateway, but sometimes you want to do something else, or you want to put a video, you want to put in your own styling and design, so you can use this. Okay, example I put here my video number. Okay, so here I like to put here xxx, then I go back to my video here. Okay, so let me see. Okay, this is one of video that I have, so we need here embed. Okay, so embed will be this code. Okay, so I'm going to copy this code. Okay, and I'm going to copy, this is HTML code, so I'm going to copy there. Okay, so please do remember this now is big size. Okay, so apps is not big, the width, so I'm going to change this to 260, and the height, let me just change it to put about 100. All right, okay, and I want this to be center. All right, okay, and say I want to put my our testimonials. This just in case you just want to put something else. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so I go in here back. Okay, I take this out and let me just see my video. Okay, let me pick up this one. Okay, okay, so I pick up another bit code and I go here and I paste it here. Okay, and I still change the height to 260 and 200, so it's the same. Okay, yep, all is done. Okay, and we can do many, you can put many things, ladies and gentlemen, that we don't have in our system, but actually YouTube video we have. But I'm just using this as an example because I'm not sure what you want that we don't have. Most likely we have everything, but if there is anything that you want and we don't have, all right, and you want it now, you can just get it designed under HTML editor or just get a programmer to design it for you in HTML. And what you need to do is just copy paste. Say this is your programmer designing it for you. Just copy paste it in here and click OK. Okay, let us see this coming out. Hang on. This is internet line. Okay, let me just click OK again. Yeah, now that's in. Okay, all right. So what we do now, we need to refresh it. All right, so great, should come out here. So you see, this is my video, and yeah, it's ready for you. All right, so if we don't have things that you want now, make it cheaper for you, just get a programmer, put it into HTML, and you can copy paste yourself, or you can create yourself in the HTML editor. And there's many other HTML editor that's nice to use. Okay, so I think I have proven the concept that you'll be able to build app without coding, and you can explore all these feature pages. But if you are already our subscribers, we'll give you videos and manuals on how to use each of these pages. Okay, let's now go to application. What do we have? Here is the icon. So we need to put in an icon, 256 icon. Okay, and click OK. And then this is the back button inside the app. Okay, you can just choose anything. All right, and this is Android push. Okay, so we just change the 512. Do I have 512? Okay, there's no need to change the 128, just remain there as it is. But if you put here Android push, there's a save button here. Please make sure in the feature pages you must choose a push notification feature pages. If not, can't work. Okay. All right. Then this is a splash screen image. So I'm going to put in another image. All right. That's great. Okay. Should be in already. And finally, the publication. Okay, so you need to change here. This is your display name. Okay, when a user download your app, they see this image and this is the wording that they will see underneath. This is the bundle ID. This is a package name. All right, you need to change. Please don't use the default. Please change and click save. You want to monetize your app, we have app mob. In future, we're going to add on other type of advertisement. Okay, we are identifying and talking with programmers, and you will have more option. And finally, all right, your when you see your application is ready to be published, then you need to then now check out. Okay, and here in checkout, you need now to select your first subscription. So you need to now put in all your details here. Okay, and click save, and then you proceed. So let me just show you a bit here so that you know how to proceed later on. Okay. Put in your real name. Okay. Okay. This is your address. Okay. The zip code. Okay. And please do put in your phone number. Okay. It's advisable to put in your real number here. It's just for our own record. So if there is anything, we are able to communicate with you to assist you. Okay, then do click save. All right. So you see you have no subscription refill slot. So that's why you need to select. So we have our packages here. All right. We have the explanation in a separate tutorial. So please do select. Okay, see, I'm selecting this. Platinum is our best package because you have 999 apps. Or you can go for gold for 30 apps, full features. And you need to click here, save. Okay, then after that, PayPal and click validate. Alright, it will actually bring you to the PayPal account and you are ready to go. Okay, to start generating your APK and start publishing. Okay, I think that's about general overview. I would like to again thank you to all our new users. Welcome to Apps Master Builder family, and I wish you all the best in your journey in building apps. If you have not yet signed up with us, please do sign up. Okay, we are the #1 app platform. Okay, we have many feature pages, and we are going to add on more in future so that we remain #1 in the world, and is to be used by everybody to create apps easy way without coding. All right, so with that, all the best, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.